Carol and Mike here. We are out in O'Neill Village in Greer, South Carolina. This place is beautiful. The backdrop is the Blue Ridge Mountains, and they're gorgeous, of course. Yes, it is in Greer, but Greer is big. It's really spread out. So this is like not close to the downtown area, but on out towards the mountain area. So yes, O'Neill Village has 3 builders in here that we know of. We have SK Builders, Toll Brothers, and Lennar builds townhomes out here. So if you like an active lifestyle, this may very well be a good place for you. These are some of the amenities. I may not have every single one, but there's quite a few out here. So with that being said, they do have a higher HOA fee because there's so many amenities out here.
Right.
Okay, so these are a few of them. They have a fire pit, park, community garden, pool with a kiddie section, a workout center, basketball court area, amphitheater, a bark park for the dogs, and there's also a commercial area for businesses out here. Yes, there's 195 acres out here at O'Neill Village in Greer, South Carolina. It's beautiful. We hope you enjoy the video, so come along with us. Yes, we absolutely love O'Neill Village in Greer, South Carolina. The location is awesome. You're surrounded by the Blue Ridge Mountains. There's 195 acres of beauty around here. So yes, we are here the first week in August 2023. Some of the amenities we've already talked about. There's a few more. There's also a workout center, amphitheater, sidewalks are throughout, a fitness center, an outdoor fireplace, and there's an event lawn. There's also a commercial area and a playground. So yeah, that's in addition to the ones I already told you about. So yes, you're only minutes to downtown Greer. The hospital is only 9.9 miles away. You would be close to Lake Robinson. It's only 0.6 miles away from here. Greer Golf and Country Club is only 3.8 miles away, and Greenville Spartanburg International Airport in Greer is only minutes away also. So yes, there are couple builders out here. There's SK Builders and Toll Brothers, and Lennar builds the townhomes there. They're all wonderful builders. We have sold SK Builders and Toll Brothers homes before. Love the landscaping there. It's beautiful. So yes, SK is saying that their phase 5 is now open. This is the last phase in this community. So if you can see yourself living here in O'Neill Village in Greer, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to Mike, and I will be glad to help you out. Glad to answer any questions that you may have. It's what we love to do. We help families move to our area from all over. We love our South Carolina, and we love showing it off, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.